rotisserie chicken. Actually, that does sound very good, doesn't it? Oh, by the way, my wife got her master's with string bread. Oh, you know what? It was such a love fest. They took her in, and they're supposed to attack it, and they said, really, this is the best we've seen all year. We don't have any attacks, but we still need you to explain everything you wrote just to prove that you didn't, like hire somebody to write it for you. So they made her just say it all out. They didn't attack anything, and that was the end of it. She was happy. She was happy. It was not that I got anything out of it. I mean, there was peace in the house. Quiet. Oh no, it was kind of joyful. Kind of joyful. She felt very good, and the way that they were nice to her. She said it was kind of embarrassing. I thought, oh good. If it's a touchy-feely subject, you better do damn well. You do that well in math. Well, because I remember on my exam, I'm not kidding. I don't know if I told you guys, but I studied for 6 months when I went in for my oral, a 3-hour exam. Oral presentation, 3 hours. And anyway, when I left, these are all my friends, right? I studied with them. They're my professors for years and years, and I know them all. And in fact, more than my panel was there. A few professors, when they saw where I was going, they said, oh, you're going to go? Well, I'm going to tag along. I had twice as many people there to pepper me with questions. I remember this very well. When I left the room, the heavy door shut so they could render their decision, and the whole room burst into hysterical laughter. I mean, they were all just laughing their butts off over how much they made me suffer. Of course! What do you mean? I'm teaching here, aren't I? No, Lord. Well, I tell you what, though, there's a lot of people that don't pass the first time. But I studied for 6 months. That's the reason my wife did well. She studied for 3. Solid. I mean, it's been hell. Haven't you seen how many classes I missed? For God's sake. Anyway. Let's talk about it. No, I don't think she can actually do things.
Hey, Mark, you want you to do things?
Oh, I know. She gets to take the kids to the music lesson tomorrow. I haven't got time to do any practically, so I wouldn't get anything out of it. But we're going to look at something a little bit different now. This is the master formula, correct? What if I told you, hey, we're going to look at a special class of solid, so that every single time I slice it, I get a circle.